And for Onduo, as we're a joint venture between Sanofi and Verily, which is Google Life Sciences, and we really have one mission, which is to help people with diabetes live their lives better. And so for us, it's something that we call precision care matching, which is how do we get that right person onto the right intervention.
The fact that Onduo is a separate entity is a clear commitment to our understanding that we need to act differently to tackle those challenges. So I think the key success factor for tomorrow is the ability to work together.
So I think it's interesting to bring together different skill sets in a relationship. So we bring innovation, speed, agility. On pharma brings us a lot of rigor, the regulatory knowledge, how to bring innovative products, medical products into the market to a large number of people. So that's really interesting to join forces, really to develop a meaningful relationship. And I think it works both ways, right? Because we learn a lot from pharma. So pharma has helped us really get to better regulatory status, on better understanding of market access, and the commercial also dimension of what we're doing. And I think we have also the opportunity to bring innovative insights to the pharma companies to help them understand what are the opportunities and constraints in our really fast-growing field of digital health. So I think it's really interesting to have this new dialogue between two different types of organizations. And right now, it's the perfect time because we have the convergence of digital, medical, and and medtech, biopharma, all joining forces to create innovative solutions that we have never seen before.
Quinten is a company specialized in data science. So what we do basically is understanding the needs of people we are working with, and then understanding how these needs relates with the data they have internally and the data they can have access to externally, and then extract from these data insights that are going to be used by these people to achieve their goal faster and better. We work with the real-world evidence generation department in order to organize a global team actually of data scientists with the proper tools, the proper platform, in order to be instrumental for the GBUs and the stakeholders, understanding again what the GBU needs to deliver even more impactful products on the market, understanding the needs and the unmet needs, medical needs.
In Sanofi, we're running a number of clinical trials for the development of our drug. So our needs is really to increase the accuracy, the relevance of the data we collect, to prove the benefits and the safety of the drug for the patient. The digital is opening a number of opportunities for accelerating and decreasing the complexity of the trials, and the mobile health and the wearable device are important.
The wearables are bearing a lot of promises for the clinical trials in terms of the patient experience and the quality of the data. In the clinical trial, you need to make sure that actually the scientific value of the information is actually right. So what we've brought together in a collaborative way to check whether the new way of collecting the information gives the same type of result than the traditional way when you go into clinics. The last thing that we did is to make sure that the huge volume of data that we're collecting can actually be managed going forward, as the number of information that you're getting through wearables is typically much more than you have in traditional settings. Scientists are very excited because it's a new way, it's very innovative, and we're looking forward to go to the next stage in terms of size of what we can try here.